So here I am at the Hope Center. Finally got through the border and we're able to check on what has been happening, and it is amazing to see the progress. People have been incredibly generous even through this difficult time in the United States, and progress has continued here. Just this next week they're going to be pouring the ceiling for the second story on the south building. This is going to be an amazing place where people can come on a short-term basis, where interns can come on a long-term basis, where volunteers can come and help people that are living in absolute poverty. All of this is continued, and it's because of the generosity of amazing people who say, you know what? Absolute poverty is not how people should live. People should have housing, people should have a way to feed their families, people should have an education, and people should have hope. That's what the Hope Center is all about. So thank you so much for your help.